Jai Srimannarayana. 13th sloka of 16th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Idamadya maya labdham imam prapsye manoradham idam asti idamapi me bhavishyati punardhanam. Om. Always remember that what you have now, what you are going to acquire in future is not everything solely by your ability, but there is always help from Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall never think that whatever that I have now, whatever that I am going to be acquiring in future is everything by my own ability, but there is. I always remember that there is help from you. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please make me as your best instrument. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 8th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Srimannarayana, after he protecting Gajendra, then he has got on to his Garuda Vahanam. Then he blew his Panchajanya Senkham while making all the Brahma and other Devatas happy. Paramatma returned to his abode Sri Vaikuntham. For Raja, so far I have disclosed that most auspicious Gajendra's story. All the Bhagavan's Paramatma's miraculous activities, by listening to them, one can get relieved from all kind of sins. Oh Raja, now I am going to tell about Raivata Manu. Tamasa's brother is Raivata. He is fifth Manu. Arjuna, Bali, Vindhya, all these people are his sons. In his Manvantaram, Hiranyaroma, Vedasira, Urdhvabahu, all these are Saptarshis. Vibhu, he became the Swarga Raju, the king of the heaven, in Raivata Manvantaram. O Raja, Patni Vikuntha Subhrasya Vaikunthaihi Surasattamaihi. Subhra and Vikuntha, they are the couples. So Paramatma born to them along with Devatas. Paramatma became Vaikuntha. So Lakshmi Devi requested Paramatma to create one world. That is why, in order to make Lakshmi Devi happy, Paramatma Vaikunthaha Kalpito Yena Loko Loka Namaskrutaha Ramaya Pradhyamanena Devya Tatpriya Kamyaya. In order to make Lakshmi Devi happy, Paramatma created one lokam, one world, which is known as Vaikuntha Lokam. This Vaikuntha Lokam is known as Karya Vaikuntham. Whereas there is another Vaikuntham which is known as Karana Vaikuntham. That Karana Vaikuntham is Nitya Vibhuti. It is eternally present over there. That Karana Vaikuntham is beyond this Leela Vibhuti. That is known as Nitya Vibhuti. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 16th chapter, 13th sloka. Idam adya maya labdham. Imam prapsye manoradham. Idamasti idamapi me. Bhavishyati punardhanam. Idamadya maya labdham. Imam prapsye manoradham. Idamasti idamapi me. Bhavishyati punardhanam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.